Today we're tackling a hot topic: innovations versus gimmicks in new tools. Are these new features truly game changers, or are they just clever marketing tricks? You decide. Let's take a trip down memory lane. Remember the tools our parents and grandparents used? Simple, sturdy, and built to last. Tools like the classic hand drill, the heavy-duty hammer, and the ever-reliable handsaw. These tools had one job and they did it well, with no frills or fancy features. Now, fast forward to today. We have tools packed with features like laser guides, digital displays, Bluetooth connectivity, and even AI-powered adjustments. Take the modern circular saw, for example. Some models now come with laser guides to help you cut straight lines. Handy, right? But is it really necessary or just a flashy add-on? On one hand, innovations like brushless motors and drills have genuinely improved performance and battery life. These advancements make our work easier, faster, and more efficient, but then there are things like app-controlled features on a wrench. Cool? Sure. Essential? Not so much. Take laser guides again. They can be helpful, but many seasoned pros say they're not a substitute for skill and precision. They argue that relying too much on these innovations can actually make us complacent. So where do we draw the line between a useful innovation and a marketing gimmick? At the end of the day, it comes down to your needs and preferences. For some, these modern features can save time and improve accuracy. For others, the simplicity and reliability of traditional tools can't be beat. It's all about finding the right balance. So what do you think? Are today's tools truly innovative? Or are they just packed with gimmicks to drive up prices? Let us know in the comments. And while you're here, make sure to check out our next video where we ask a critical question: is table saw safety being sacrificed? Click the link and join the conversation.